Okay, so let's have a look at the playlists then. If we click on the playlist icon, it drops down into some playlists which I've already created. So in order to create a playlist, you can either right click on the playlists icon, click create playlist, type in the name of your playlist, demo playlist, and then drag tracks from your collection into that playlist. Or alternatively, you can go into your collection, select some tracks, and just drag them onto the playlist icon and create another playlist. So either of those two ways is fine. The second option you have here is to create a folder, which is very handy if you want to group together certain playlists and just get it that wee bit more organized, you know. So we're going to call this folder demo playlists, and then we'll drop demo playlist 2 and demo playlist 1 in there, so that folder can open and close, and keep them hidden if I'm not actually using them. Okay, so looking back up here, you've also got the option to import a playlist. So you're looking for .nml files. So if you locate the file on your hard drive, it'll just appear in the tree here alongside the rest of your playlists. And then by the same token, you can also import a playlist directory. Okay, so looking at the playlists themselves, I mean, to add tracks again, you're just dragging and dropping. But if you right click on a particular playlist, you've got an option there to rename it. You can consolidate it, which means if I change the order of this playlist here, so I can change it up and down, move tracks just by clicking and dragging. I'm happy with that order now. That's the order that I want to keep it in for my set. I can consolidate that by just right clicking on that, and it will save that order. This removes any duplicate tracks that are in your playlist. You can export the playlist, save it as a web page for sharing that information, clear the playlist, delete it, and then you can turn it into a preparation playlist. Now, a preparation playlist is a playlist whereby you can add tracks on the fly that you intend to play. So when you add tracks to this playlist, you'll notice that a diamond icon will appear beside them. This indicates that the tracks are in a waiting state. Basically, they're waiting to be played. So you would use this basically when you're out DJing and you're looking through your browser and you think, there's a track that I'm going to play, but I'm not going to play it for another 20 minutes or so. I'll drop it into the preparation playlist so I remember to actually play it. So that's what you would do with the preparation playlist. You can make any playlist that you want a preparation playlist by clicking here, and you'll notice all the tracks have a diamond icon appearing beside them there on the left hand side. You also have the option as well, if we're back in our track collection and you're looking through it and you go, oh, there's something there, I'm going to prepare that to play later on. You can add that as next by right clicking on it, and that'll add it to the preparation list, and it will just appear in that preparation list at the bottom of the tracks that I have already got in there. Another thing to look at is the sort of hotkey functionality here. You can assign your playlists to F keys on your keyboard. To do this, you simply drag a playlist up into one of these slots here, and then you go in your operating system. I mean, on Windows you have to make F keys behave just in their normal state as standard F keys. So you may have to go in and do something like that on your Mac or on your Windows PC. Once you've done that in your system preferences, you just click F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F so on, and that will immediately bring up these individual playlists. You can also click on these as well up here with your mouse to access them that bit quicker and easier as well. So that's essentially how you work with and you manage your playlists within Traktor. In the next video, we're going to look at how you use iTunes to manage your playlists and how you import tracks from iTunes to use in Traktor.